Life is a journey. It's full of ups and downs. We all face challenges. These challenges test us, but they also make us stronger. This inner strength, this ability to bounce back is called resilience. Resilience is not about avoiding hardship. It's about facing it head on. It's about learning from our experiences. It's about rising above adversity. You possess this strength. It's within you. We all have the capacity for resilience. It's a part of who we are. By understanding resilience, we can tap into our inner strength. We can navigate life's challenges with courage and grace. What exactly is resilience? Simply put, it's our ability to bounce back. It's our capacity to adapt and thrive. This happens even in the face of adversity. We all experience setbacks. Resilience helps us overcome them. Think of a rubber band. You stretch it and it springs back. Resilience is similar. Life stretches us with challenges, but with resilience, we bounce back. We become even stronger than before. Resilience is not a fixed trait. It's a skill we can develop. Like a muscle, resilience grows stronger with practice. The more we face challenges, the more resilient we become. Our mindset plays a crucial role in building resilience. It's the foundation upon which we build our responses to life's challenges. How we view challenges shapes our response. Do we see them as threats that can overwhelm us, or as opportunities to learn and grow? Do we see them as insurmountable obstacles that block our path and drain our energy, or as opportunities for growth, where each challenge is a chance to become stronger and more capable? The choice is ours, and it can make all the difference. When we face a setback, it's easy to get caught up in negative thought. We might feel defeated and question our ability. We might dwell on what went wrong, replaying the scenario in our minds over and over again. We might blame ourselves or others, looking for someone to hold accountable for our misfortune. This negative thinking can be paralyzing. It can trap us in a cycle of doubt and fear. It prevents us from moving forward, from taking the next step towards our goals. Instead of dwelling on the negative, try shifting your perspective. Consider the possibility that every setback is a setup for a comeback. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this experience? Well, what valuable lessons are hidden within this challenge? How can I grow from this challenge? What new skills or insights can I gain? This positive reframing can be incredibly empowering. It transforms obstacles into opportunities and setbacks into stepping stones. It allows us to see setbacks as stepping stones to success, each one bringing us closer to our ultimate goals. By choosing a positive mindset, we unlock our potential and pave the way for a brighter future. We are not meant to go through life alone. We need each other. Especially during tough times, leaning on others is crucial. This could be family, friends, mentors, or a support group. Reaching out for help is not a sign of weakness. It takes courage to ask for support. But it's in these moments of vulnerability that we experience true connection. We realize we are not alone. Support can take many forms. It could be a listening ear. It could be practical help. It could be words of encouragement. Whatever form it takes, support provides us with strength and resilience during challenging times. Section 5. Learning from setbacks. Turning challenges into opportunities. Setbacks are inevitable. They are a part of life. But they don't have to define us. In fact, setbacks can be our greatest teachers. They offer valuable lessons and opportunities for growth. Instead of viewing setbacks as failures, see them as feedback. They provide information. Use this information to adjust your course and make better decisions in the future. Ask yourself, what went wrong? What could I have done differently? What did I learn from this experience? These questions are key. They help us transform setbacks into stepping stones for future success. Section 6. The importance of self-care. Nurturing your well-being. Building resilience requires self-care. We need to take care of ourselves. This includes our physical, emotional, and mental health. When we prioritize self-care, we are better equipped to handle life's challenges. Self-care looks different for everyone. It might involve exercise. It might involve spending time in nature. It might involve practicing mindfulness or engaging in hobbies. Self-care is not selfish, it's essential. When we take care of ourselves, we have more to give to others. We are more patient, understanding, and compassionate. Section 7. Setting realistic goals. Small steps, big impact. Setting goals can be incredibly motivating. It gives us something to strive for. However, it's important to set realistic goals. Small, achievable steps are key to building confidence and resilience. When we set unrealistic goals, we set ourselves up for disappointment. This can lead to feelings of inadequacy. Instead, break down large goals into smaller, more manageable steps. Celebrate your successes along the way. This reinforces positive behavior. It helps us stay motivated. Remember, every step forward, no matter how small, is a step in the right direction. Section 8. Cultivating gratitude, finding joy in the journey. Gratitude is a powerful emotion. It shifts our focus. We move from what we lack to what we have. This simple shift in perspective can have a profound impact on our well-being. When we focus on the good in our lives, no matter how small, we experience greater joy and contentment. This positive outlook can help us navigate difficult times with more grace and resilience. Take some time each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for. It could be your health, your relationships, or even a beautiful sunset. The more we cultivate gratitude, the more we attract positivity into our lives. Section 9. Resilience in action, inspiring stories of triumph. Throughout history, countless individuals have demonstrated remarkable resilience. These individuals from various walks of life have faced seemingly insurmountable obstacles, and yet they have emerged victorious. Their stories serve as a beacon of hope and inspiration, illuminating the path for others who may be struggling. They show us that no matter how dark the times may seem, there is always a glimmer of hope. They remind us that even in the face of adversity, the human spirit can triumph. The strength and determination they exhibit are testaments to the power of resilience. Consider the story of Malala Yousafzai. Her journey is a powerful example of courage and resilience. She was shot by the Taliban for advocating for education for girls. Despite this horrific attack, Malala refused to be silenced. Instead of being silenced, she became a global advocate for girls' education. Her voice grew stronger and her message reached millions around the world. Another example is J.K. Rowling. Her story is one of perseverance and unwavering belief in her dreams. She faced numerous rejections before finding a publisher for Harry Potter. Each rejection could have been a reason to give up, but she persisted. Her perseverance paid off, and she went on to become one of the best-selling authors of all time. Her story inspires countless aspiring writers to keep pushing forward. These stories and countless others remind us that resilience is not about avoiding challenges. It's about embracing them and finding ways to overcome them. It's about facing them head-on with courage and determination. It's about learning from each setback and growing stronger. It's about never giving up on our dreams. No matter how difficult the journey may be, resilience teaches us that we can achieve greatness if we keep moving forward. Section 10. The transformative power of resilience. Embracing growth. Resilience is not simply about bouncing back, it's about bouncing forward. It's about using our experiences, both positive and negative, to learn, grow, and become the best versions of ourselves. When we embrace resilience, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities. We develop greater self-awareness, empathy, and compassion. We become more adaptable, resourceful, and courageous. Resilience is an ongoing journey. It's not a destination. There will be times when we stumble and fall, but with each challenge we overcome, we emerge stronger, wiser, and more resilient than before. Section 11. The path to resilience is not always easy. It is filled with ups and downs, twists and turns, and moments that test your limits. Conclusion. Your journey to resilience starts today. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to becoming the best version of yourself. Building resilience is a lifelong endeavor. It requires patience, dedication, and a willingness to face your fears head-on. It's a journey, not a destination. Each experience, whether good or bad, shapes you into a stronger, more resilient individual. It's about cultivating inner strength. It's about embracing vulnerability, allowing yourself to be open and honest, even when it's difficult. It's about connecting with others, building a support system that lifts you up and encourages you to keep going. You have the power within you to navigate life's challenges with grace and courage. Embrace your resilience. Let it be the force that drives you forward. Believe in your ability to overcome adversity. Trust that you have the strength to rise above any obstacle, and never, ever give up on yourself. No matter how tough things get, remember that you are capable of achieving greatness. Remember, you are stronger than you think. Each challenge you face is an opportunity to grow and become more resilient. You are braver than you believe. Your courage will carry you through the toughest times. and you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. With determination and resilience, there are no limits to what you can accomplish. So go out there and embrace the world with resilience, knowing that you have the strength to overcome any obstacle that comes your way. Your journey to resilience starts today, and it will lead you to a life filled with purpose, strength, and unwavering courage.